Good morning, everyone. I think it's really quite appropriate that Hindustan Unilever gets an opportunity to take this stage and be an integral part of something like Women in the World, because quite simply, women are integral to Hindustan Unilever. They are our primary consumers and decision makers. They are usually the primary caregivers of all our future consumers, and they're an ever-increasing proportion of our workforce as well. And it's my great privilege today to share 5 stories of women who've done a journey with Hindustan Lever and invite you to be a part of this journey as well. I'm going to start the story actually with a lady called Shobha. Shobha is 31. She lives in a small town in Maharashtra, and a few years ago decided to take the step to become a Shakti Amma. What does that mean? It basically means that she is Hindustan Unilever's distributor for that village, the only person who's going to reach our products to that village and the neighboring villages. And along with over 70,000 other Shakti Ammas around the country, Shobha has actually gained a significant measure of economic independence and also provided for Hindustan Lever a very, very sustainable business model. I remember Barka just earlier mentioning that maybe equality starts at home. And now when you go into Shobha's house, you will be greeted first by Shobha and her husband and son in the background. Perhaps we would like to believe that a few years earlier it might have been the reverse. Moving on from Shobha, we have another story. As HUL, we have many factories and units all over the country. And the thought was that how can we make the livelihood of those people who live in and around these units of ours far more meaningful and provide them with the opportunity that they perhaps don't have just because of their location or their background. And so was born Project Prabhat. Project Prabhat works with women like Manisha to provide an opportunity to, Shibu, to give them an opportunity to learn new skills. It's a training program that gives certified skills. And in the case of Shibu, we worked with the Sunsilk brand to give her an opportunity to learn how to own, run, manage her own beauty salon. And at the end of the program, she gets what is called the Sunsilk Life Starter Kit. And what we would really like to believe is that this Life Starter Kit is an opportunity for her to start a new life. And if any of you get the opportunity to go to small towns within India or villages within India, I hope you will look out for these micro-entrepreneurs and support them with a visit. We turn our attention now to stories from a couple of very, very iconic brands of Hindustan Levers. The first one is Fair & Lovely. This is a brand that is much loved, is in 75 out of 100 homes across the country, but has also quietly been working a revolution in the background on women's empowerment. Started in 2003, the Fair & Lovely Foundation gives opportunity to women who don't have access to finance, a scholarship for higher education or to set up their own enterprise. And one such story is that of Manisha. Manisha was born into a family where she had a brother, which is fantastic, as I'm sure all of you who have siblings know. Unfortunately, her parents chose to prioritize his education over hers. Being a good student and having great will, she said that's not going to stop her. Applied for a Fair & Lovely scholarship, got it, went on to do a degree in a very prestigious college, and now, as per me, has a really superlative job. She works with us in the marketing department of Hindustan Lever. So a really inspiring story that's kind of come a full circle. And another brand, which has a story that's just slightly different, is Lifebuoy. The mission of Lifebuoy is to help all children reach the age of 5. I don't know how many of you are aware, but there are many, many children in the world who unfortunately die within the first 28 days of their life. And 44% of them actually die within the first 28 days. And one of the biggest reasons for this is the poor hygiene, easily resolved by the simple act of hand washing. So Lifebuoy has a commitment that we will reach 1 billion people by the year 2020 with the message of hand washing. So yes, absolutely. I think it's a really audacious goal. We are at 250 million, so some way to go as we stand here at the end of this year, but a mission that we are 100% confident that we will get there and hopefully bring down this staggering statistic. And the video of Sani Grahi, whom you can see, is a really moving and touching tribute of a young mother who is concerned about her own and her unborn child's future. And I would really urge you to take a look at it when time permits. And the last story kind of brings this session to really a full circle where we started, which was with the Dove brand. The Dove brand is perhaps Unilever's most recognizable global brand. It works across 121 countries, has touched over 17 million young girls. And the mission of this brand is to make sure that beauty becomes a source of confidence and not as it is a source of anxiety for many young women. And to do that, Dove works actually with WAGs, not wives and girlfriends, but the World Association of Girl Guides and Scouts. We have actually one member proudly wearing her uniform here with us, Deepika, and that's Deepika that you see in the picture. She's just over there. I don't think you can see her, but hopefully you'll get a chance to interact with this very, very impressive young lady over lunch or in the breaks. And Deepika is now a trained self-esteem in the self-esteem program of Dove. She's now spreading the message to many more women. And I'm going to give you a quote from Deepika in terms of what she would really like to see. She says, "My ambition is to become the voice of girls in India so we can reach an age where gender equality truly becomes a reality." I found that thought really inspiring from a very, very inspiring young lady. And with that, I come to the end of the section on the women that we're here for today. I'd like to invite you to take a look at the portrait gallery, which is just outside as you enter and exit this room, and to contribute to this journey that we've started at Hindustan Lever. Thank you very much.